In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Outlook by email and date, all within just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Outlook or just looking to sharpen your organizational skills, this guide will help you learn how to effectively navigate your inbox and find specific emails based on time frames. Let's dive in and simplify your email management processes. First, you'll want to ensure that you are on Microsoft Outlook. If you're not, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook website. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on that button to begin the sign-in process. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials, including your email and password. Make sure you have these details handy as they're essential for accessing your inbox. After you've logged into your Outlook account, direct your attention to the upper section of the web page. There you will see a search box prominently displayed. It's your main tool for finding emails. Just to the right of it, you'll notice a small filter icon. Click it. This filter feature is powerful yet straightforward, designed to narrow down your search by different criteria. Today we'll focus on the date filter. Now you're ready to select your date range. Outlook provides you a couple of options here. You can search for emails sent today, yesterday, earlier this week, or choose a specific date range that suits your search criteria. It's particularly useful if you're looking for correspondence tied to specific events or meetings. Select the date option that best fits what you're looking for. If you need something from a specific day, feel free to use the calendar view to select exact dates. Once you've chosen your date parameters, the final step is to click the search button. Your inbox will refresh and Outlook will present results that match both the date criteria you have set. Scan through these results to locate the specific emails that you need, and there you have it. You've efficiently searched in Outlook by date, streamlining the process of finding important emails without sorting through endless messages. Remember, becoming proficient with these searches can vastly improve your productivity and ease the management of your inbox. As a parting tip, don't hesitate to explore other filter options within Outlook to see how you can refine your searches even more. It's all about finding the system that works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick guide has empowered you to take charge of your emails more effectively. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments section below, and I'll see you in the next video.